Hello everyone, my name is Akash Patel and welcome to my AWS Cloud Practitioner learning journey. In this video, I will explain one of the most important topics for students and beginners, cost optimization and AWS budgets. I will show you simply habits that can save money in AWS and also how AWS budgets can alert you before your bill grow too high. And before I begin, I want to thanks to my professor Dr. Govindaswamy for his excellent guidance and encouragement. So let's get started. So in this video, I will explain how to manage cost in AWS using simple cost optimization tips and the AWS budget services. So cost optimization tips, simple way to avoid wasting money. AWS budgets, a service to track your spending and get alert. The goal is to make sure that even as student or beginner, we can safely use AWS without worrying about unexpected costs. Let's move to the next. So, why cost optimization matter? So, cloud is pay as you go. That means you pay for what you use, but it also means you can waste money if you forgot to stop resources. For example, leaving an EC2 instance running overnight is likely leaving the light on in your room all night. Your bill will go up. Storing old data, old file in expensive storage when they could be moved to cheaper option is like paying for a luxury locker when a basic one would work. Cost optimization makes sure your projects stay affordable, especially for students like us who may be using the free tier. Let's move to the next one. Let's see the two key parts of cost management diagram. So cost management in AWS has two key parts. First one, optimization tips. So these are simple habits to save money, like turning off unused resources. Second, AWS budget. This is a safety net that track your spending and warns you before it goes too high. Together, they keep you in control. So let's see the simple cost optimization tips. So here are some very simple but powerful cost optimization tips. So first one, stop ideal resources. Always shut down EC2 instance, database, or labs when not using them. Right size your resources. Start small with a micro instance, then grow only if you are really need more. Use cheaper storage. Move old file to Amazon S3 Glacier with life cycle rules. Then use free tier wisely. Many services like Lambda, DynamoDB, and S3 provides always free limits, which cover small projects. Let's move to the next one. So next one is a more cost optimization ideas. So first one, here are some more ideas for saving. First one, reserved instance or saving plans. If you know you will use something for a year, you can pay less per hour by committing. Second one, instance for flexible jobs. You can get big discount using spare capacity. Then third one, clean up unused resources. So delete old snapshots, test projects, or EBS volumes you no longer needed. Monitor uses. Check your billing dashboard weekly, just like checking your wallet or bank account. Let's move to the next one. So what is AWS budget? So now let's talk about the AWS budgets. AWS Budget is a free tool that lets you set a spending limit. You can get alert by email if you go over a certain amount. This is a perfect for students. It's like setting a rules. I will spend only $5 this month. If costs reach halfway, you get an early warning. Budgets give peace of mind when you are still learning. Let's move to the next one. So AWS budget, very easy examples. So here are some easy examples of how AWS budget works. So set a monthly budget of $5. If your spending reaches 2.50, you get a 50% alert. If it reaches $4, you get another warning. You can create a budget just for one service like S3, so you know if storage costs grow. You can also create a usage budget, like limit how many hours an EC2 instance runs. Then you can also create usage budget, like just like setting a monthly allowance for yourself and getting reminder before you overspend. Let's go to the next one. So how tips and budget work together? So tips and budgets work best together. Tips are habits, turning off ideal resources, right sizing, using cheaper storage. Second one, budget are safety nets. If you forgot, the budget's alert will warn you before the bill gets big. Together, they make sure you spend only that you intend to and nothing more. Then let's move to the next one. Let's check some student mini checklist. So as student, here a mini checklist to stay safe with AWS Coast. Did I stop idle EC2 instance at the end of the day? You can ask that question to yourself. Did I clean up unused resources like snapshots and test projects? Did I set lifecycle rules in S3 to move old files to cheaper storage? Did I create a budget alert for $5 this month? Did I check my billing dashboard this week? So if you can answer yes to all these, you are managing AWS like a pro. Let's move to the next one. Let's see some common mistakes and how we can fix it. So here are some common mistake beginner makes. Like first mistake, forgetting to stop EC2 instance overnight. So you can fix it. Always double check before logging out. Then keeping old snapshots or AWS, EBS volume that are no longer needed. Then how you can fix it? Clean up unused storage regularly. Then fourth one, ignoring free tier benefits. So how you can fix it? Review the list of free tier services and use them first. And not setting budgets. How you can fix it? Create a budget alert as soon as you open an AWS account. So let's move to the next one. So let's see some recap and summary what we learned. So cost optimization means avoiding waste with simple habit like stopping idle resources, right sizing, and using cheaper storage. Then AWS budget help you set limits and get alert before you overspend. Then together, this practice keep your AWS account affordable, safe for experiments. So the main idea is be proactive with good habits and be safe with the budget alerts. So finally, thank you so much for watching my video on the cost optimization in AWS budget. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to check the bell icon so you will notified for my next video. A big, very big thank you to my professor, Dr. Govindaswamy, for always guiding me and motivating me. Then his teaching has helped me a lot gain the confidence in learning and explaining AWS concepts. So this was Akash Patel sharing my AWS learning journey. See you in the next video.